So Nudie installed OFS in October 2018, and we installed the program to help us identify the biggest sources of loss and give us real-time data on how our production line was performing. With that data, we were able to target specific problem areas and then drive our overall efficiency up. So Nudie went with the OFS Express program. It was really quick and easy to install. They sent us a box with the PLC, we wired some proxies up, we had it going within a couple of days. The data came through really quickly and we're able to use that data to improve our efficiencies. The overall cost was fantastic. We paid a monthly subscription, no contracts, so you're not committed to a long time. You can turn off when you like. And we estimate the payback on a whole year's worth of subscriptions to be done in a couple of weeks with some of the projects we've done. So it's been extremely value adding for our business. So the OFS Express kit actually made it easy for operators. It took away their manual downtime recording and having to check times and fully automated the system. They picked it up really quick. The online video training tools is all we needed. And again, we had accurate data within a couple of days of implementation. So some of the benefits for our customers from the OFS Express kit is definitely been DIFOT, delivery in full on time. So with the improvements we've made, we've been able to meet our customer orders, deliver to them on time with reliable sort of accuracy, and instead of chasing our tail and catching up on orders. So they've definitely seen an improvement. We've had that feedback. As a result of the OFS Express kit and the operational improvements we've seen, we haven't had to reduce our workforce or change our shift patterns at all. In fact, we've increased headcount by 2 that are working on continuous improvement programs based on the OFS data from the floor. So we've seen a huge increase in efficiency in our operations. We used to rely on overtime, and now we've seen a much more stable shift pattern that gives our workers a bit of a rest. And we've delivered a better COGM or cost of goods manufactured for the whole business. We've actually freed up time in our plan where we can enable more new product development or research, training and facilities and problem solving issues like that.